Tough trucks need tough components, and today we're cutting through the competition, quite literally, to show you why Pacbrake's air suspension systems are in a league of their own. Air suspension systems are absolutely critical for your truck, ensuring stability, improved handling, safety, especially when you're hauling heavy loads or towing precious cargo. They prevent sagging, maintain proper alignment, and enhance braking performance, keeping everything that rides in, on, or behind your truck safe. Today, we are looking at Pacbrake's HP10002 air suspension systems versus the leading competitors for the 2003 to 2020 Dodge Ram 1500, Mega Cab, 2500, and 3500 trucks. To begin, let's look at Pacbrake's air suspension kits that are built to last. Our inch-thick aluminum end caps are designed to never leak or rust, providing you with unparalleled durability. The tapped-in air fittings are engineered to stay leak-free, ensuring consistent performance, and our super-thick, durable rubber air bellows withstand the harshest conditions, while the 20 support wires, the most in the industry, prevent bag blowout, giving you the confidence to push your truck to the limits. And all of our brackets are thick Tiger-coated steel brackets that prevent rusting and hide blemishes. Plus, we give you proper airline hose cutters that will prevent you from getting leaks from your fittings. No one else gives you these. Now, let's take a look at the competition. Airlift's design falls short of Pacbrake's, with plastic end caps that can crack or leak, compromising your safety. The pressed-in air fittings are also notorious for leaks, and the thin rubber bellows, along with fewer support wires, increase the risk of bag blowout. Plus, the black brackets you see here will show every scratch and nick in startling clarity. Firestone's air suspension systems share the same weaknesses as Airlift. Thin end caps, thin rubber, fewer support wires could put your truck and safety at risk. So, now that you've seen inside our product versus the competition, the choice is obvious. Choose Pacbrake for unmatched durability, safety, and performance. Drive with confidence, drive with Pacbrake. Visit pacbrake.com today. That's Pacbrake.com today.